First part of the collect is a very soft part. It's a lot about textiles, cushions, different types of throws. Then it's about bigger pieces of decor such as vases, etc. But also we have a few candle holders and hooks of different nature.
We work and range from architecture, which per definition is outlined by a certain slowness. And then it's really fascinating to work with smaller objects that have a different kind of dynamics in how you go about it as designer.
We have a huge collection of different typologies of organic materials that age beautifully over time. And we constantly build up these puzzles of different types of colors, different textures, whether they are rustique or matte or glossy. And it's an ongoing pleasure to combine and to investigate new ways of creating compositions. We've always been very interested in sort of the smaller scale, in creating ambiences and atmospheres. And normally when we do spaces, we tend to look for things that we can sort of layer in to create a personal atmosphere. And this has been sort of the first chance for us to actually be able to contribute to this part of the scale, and it's been super interesting and very inspiring.
There's something about the transition from one color to a diluted version of itself. The thing about it is that it sort of reminds of our relationship to nature. At dusk and dawn, this gradient of light disappearing or gaining strength. And there is a poetic notion sort of enfolded in that motif in itself.
We are already sort of on the sketching board with a lot of new items, investigating also how one material can look different in different types of manufacturing process and treated in different manners.